Ever wondered how you can cook with solar power even after the sun goes down? Most people think off-grid solar cooking requires expensive chemical batteries to store electricity. But there is a direct engineering solution called the Insulated Solar Electric Cooker. Instead of storing electricity, this mechanical system stores raw heat. It works by turning standard insulation and heavy metal into a physical thermal battery. The process starts outside with a standard solar panel. When sunlight hits the silicon cells, it knocks electrons loose and generates a direct electrical current. Instead of routing this current through expensive inverters, it travels directly into the cooker. Inside the device, electricity flows directly into a resistance wire. Because this wire has high electrical resistance, it restricts the physical flow of electrons. This atomic friction forces electrical energy to convert into localized thermal energy. The heater is integrated into a metal cooking chamber, which acts as a thermal mass. This vessel absorbs extreme heat and distributes it evenly across the cooking surface. The primary engineering mechanism is what surrounds this internal chamber. It uses thick layers of high-grade insulation. By wrapping the heating element and the cooking pot, the system traps thermal energy inside. It creates a one-way street for energy. Heat can enter through the wire, but it cannot escape through the insulated walls. Because the insulation acts as a cheap, durable battery, the internal temperature remains high enough to boil water or bake food. Even if a cloud covers the sun or night falls entirely, the trapped heat continues to cook perfectly. You bypass the bottleneck of standard batteries by relying strictly on pure thermodynamics. Subscribe to Pinaka Labs today.